really raised awareness for everyone around here. When I needed help in a really crucial time in my life, they really, gave me the financial support that I needed and came through.
Just last week, Rich and I proudly presented a check to the Children's Medical Center of Dallas, which will be used to support quality of life projects in HEADstrong's name for their patient population.
The Limelight Gala, to me, gets people aware of the work that the Gala family is doing to improve the quality of life of cancer patients.
I know he's looking down from heaven right now saying, Mom, you've done good.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present Marshall Jensen from Utah. You are an inspiration to everyone that meets you, buddy.
But I was privileged and honored to get the Nicholas E. Cavallari Award for being relentless against the fight against cancer. Nick has certainly left a legacy in the way that he lived his life and also how he chose to live his life in his final hours.
I was honored by the Cavallari family today for work in lymphoma, and it's always a pleasure to be here with them for their dedication to patient care and to making lives better however they can for patients with blood cancer.